Hi y'all, I'm Renee Forsyth. I lead the first year experience program, which hosts events like today's Popcorn with a Program, where we are featuring the meta major around industry, manufacturing, and construction. And that includes majors like machining, welding, and building construction technology. So I have some folks related to those programs that I want to introduce you to so you can learn who they are and how they support students like you. So I'm going to turn my camera and have them introduce themselves. Go ahead.
Hi, I'm Katie. I am the program advisor for our Machine Tool Technology program and our welding program. So we have a couple of different associate's degrees and certificate pathways. So if you're interested, give me a call and we can discuss your different options.
Awesome. Are these some of those options outlined here?
These are for our building and construction tech associate's degrees and different certificates you can get in like electrician, HVAC, carpenter. So all of our different programs in applied tech have various pathways or degree options or certificate options that can be completed.
Very cool. And if a student is declared in any of these programs in your Pima Connect or your My Pima account under the student checklist, you'll see who your assigned advisors are, such as Katie or someone else, and they can help you with advising, registration, knowing what classes to take for your degree, graduation.
All of the above?
All of the above. Fantastic. And tell us who you are and how you support these programs.
Hello everyone, my name is David Rodriguez. I'm the program advisor for the PCT programs. As Katie was mentioning before, we have certificate programs in the carpentry, plumbing, electrician, HVAC, and cabinet making, along with the associate's degrees in those programs. So if anybody's interested in the building construction technologies programs, please give me a call. We have our flyer here where you can take a look at the QR code if you get it that way. And you can get into my Pima Connect and make an appointment with me.
Fantastic. Now, spring semester is coming up soon. Registration is already open. What do you want students to know if they're looking to take classes in these programs for spring?
Register early. So our welding classes are mostly full right now, but there are some options of classes that you can take every semester. If you weren't able to get into welding classes, let me know and we can try to work something out so that you are taking classes in the spring semester. And then we'll get you prepared for upcoming fall. Our machining classes are still open, so if you see one that you're interested in, make sure you have the prerequisites and you're good to go.
And that's what you all can help out with, is seeing if those prerequisites are met and maybe finding alternative classes if needed. I love it. Great. Awesome. So again, come on down and meet them in person. They're fantastic. They're so nice, and they are here to support you. So we're at downtown campus outside the Advanced Manufacturing building until 1 o'clock. If you're not able to make it before we wrap up, drop your questions down below in the comment box and we'll make sure to get them answered, or connect with them through Pima Connect. All right, we'll come back live with a few other programs to introduce you to. Till then, keep striving.